Alright guys, thank you for joining me on this video. This is for the Adams Graphene glass coating. We're going to do this on the good old Ruby and see what she looks like afterwards. We're going to give you a before, during the polish, and after shots of what it looks like, and then we're going to show you what the water hydrophobicity looks like. It may be a day after I do that, after the coating, because it's got to take 24 hours for it to fully cure. But once I get it on there, guys, I'm going to do a hydrophobicity test for you guys and show you what the water behavior looks like on the windshield. So, guys, thank you for joining me for this video, and let's get into it. All right, guys. This is what we're dealing with today. Adams Graphene glass coating. Towels, polisher, everything ready to go. Alright, so now we're switching over to the other side, guys, and we're going to go clean the glass first. As I said, the glass cleaner I'm using is TrueView by PNS. It is a concentrate, and it is mixed 4:1, which is their heavy dilution ratio. So far, I love this stuff, guys. It's been working great. I've had absolutely no issues at all with streaking, and it leaves the glass nice, clean, and crisp. So the next step after we clean it first, we're going to clay towel the whole this area again. What this will do is it's going to get any residual bugs, guts, or anything off of it. It'll get any residual dirt, anything embedded in the glass out. And then that way we are a clean slate for polishing the glass is the next step. And the one nice thing about this glass cleaner, guys, is it does not leave any residues, nothing at all. It comes out completely clean afterwards. So that's a TrueView by PNS. Next step, guys, is we're going to polish the glass. Same way again, same brand, PNS. Priming the pad. And our wipe off, guys, is going to be with a 50-50 isopropyl and alcohol water mix. Alright, now that the polish has gone translucent, now we wipe off the polish. This half of the glass, guys, is now completely flat. Alright, so now we're going to polish this half of the glass, guys. Alright, now that the polish has gone translucent on this side as well, guys, let's wipe it off. I do use this stuff liberally because it helps just getting the stuff off the paint and the car. Alright, now that it is clean, we're going to do the application process now. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's starting to rainbow. My God, that windshield is slick now, guys. Now we're going to flip over to the other side. And we're going to do the same application process. Cross-hatching. Add some more to the applicator. And do the crosshatch. Now we're done with that application. Let that rainbow over. It looks like it's already starting to do. And now we're going to level it off. Put the towel over. And do a final wipe down. And that, guys, is how you apply Adams graphene glass coating. Let's get you back down to the studio tonight. Alright guys, look at the beautiful shine on that windshield now, guys. This is after application. And it's going to take about 24 hours for this to fully cure. Once it is, guys, it'll look absolutely beautiful. So guys, join me tomorrow. And we're going to give Ruby a good wash. Because she is a little on the dirty side here, guys. As you guys can tell. So the next step is get her washed. Alright guys, tell me what you thought of that. It's a decent coating. I've had a couple days to do a little bit extra testing onto it. I haven't done any like a water beading or anything like that testing yet. But just driving down the road, I've had a couple times where I've had to clean the windshield with the washer fluid, and the washer fluid doesn't even stick to this stuff, guys. So guys, give me a little bit and I will get you a little small YouTube short of the water behavior of this windshield coating. So guys, thank you for joining. Like, share, subscribe, do what you want to do, and join me for the next one.